Nevada. We paid $8 to stay here for 15 days. It's actually free camping, but you had to pay to get into the park. John and I got the American pass, so it worked. You can't hear anything that I'm saying. I'm so sorry. It's gorgeous, huh? Does it look gorgeous? Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Oh yeah? Is Max pooping? Is Max pooping? Oh man. Just in case anyone didn't know, Max is pooping. Here alone for most of the day, but I think you can actually hear somebody in the distance. So there's a couple of spots out here. It is really nice. We are in September, the end of September, so I'm sure during summer it's pretty busy. But get a lot of that view. And do you see all the trash? Yes, I see all the trash. And no, my kids have not worn shoes since we got here. They have now done this entire trip barefoot, and they're happy about it. They're kids.
Nothing like the sunrise. When you wake up first thing in the morning on a BLM land. Look at this view. Gorgeous. Amazing. A little rough night with the wind. It's a little windy. It was a test. It was a test last night for the wind and see how our Popup handled wind. It was probably about, I want to say, up to 20 miles an hour. But it was also another test to see how the kids would do on a cruise. For how much it was shaking and swaying, and it felt like we were on a houseboat.
Alright guys, so we changed our plans and we decided not to stay there 3 days at Lake Mead. The wind was picking up and my god, it was so windy. I mean, last night was crazy too because the entire pop-up tent was just shaking and rattling, and my bed felt like I was on a sailing ship, just up and down, and the wind was picking up from even that. So we decided to move on, and we're gonna drive through Zion, and just the road to Zion is gorgeous. My gosh, this place is stunning. I mean, Yosemite is beautiful, but my god, it is stunning. Miss Alex is back there. You can see Miss Alex.
It's almost like a...
This part of Utah is, gosh, man. So we are on our way to Lake Powell. So we are gonna go boondocking up there. Found a spot off of Overlander that we're gonna check out. It says you need 4-wheel drive for this, so. Well, we got 4-wheel drive. We're gonna see if we can make it there with our Popup and spend a couple days on that lake, and hopefully actually get to swim this time, because Lake Mead was just super windy and choppy, and yeah. So we'll see. But then we're on our way to Moab, so we'll keep you guys posted. We're changing our plans as we go. Morning, everyone. Welcome to Lake Powell. So we made it here last night. It took forever to get down that dirt road. It was about 18 miles of a dirt road, and then the last 5 miles were definite high clearance vehicles only. You probably don't need 4-wheel drive unless it's the mud season, but definite high clearance. We tested out hauling our Popup with our Land Cruiser significantly. Like, there was definitely a couple moments where we're pushing the boundaries of this hitch, and I think if we do more of this stuff, we might have to change to a different type of hitch system so that we don't have any more trouble. But so we're out here. John's gonna do some drone action. We weren't able to do that in Lake Mead. We were able to do that here, and it's busier here. Lake Mead was easier to get to, but there were a lot less people, and here it was incredibly difficult to get to, and every possible boondocking spot is filled. And then there were about 3 or 4 lake boats that were pulled up like alongside here, and it's been pretty busy. So interesting, but it is gorgeous. This is what you imagine being the American Southwest. Drop dead gorgeous. No words can describe it. This video is probably not going to describe it, but yeah, you'll have to see it for yourself. This area is just amazing. So, alright, drone action coming up.